I'm Jason Scott, been doing this about 32 years now. Got started on my dad's farm, started out in a lot of residential work. Eventually we moved over into commercial. So far, it's working really well, doing exactly what I wanted to do when I bought it. I'm just looking for a way to maximize production on the job site. For instance, what we just done with it probably would have taken us a week. We done it in a day and a half. Plus, I actually, instead of having guys sitting around measuring and pulling string, I actually got more stuff done because they weren't tied to me checking grade. I can now check grade just by looking on the screen in the cab. TX73 is not only for flat grading or whatever, we also can create some infield designs just by touching some points. We didn't have to wait on the surveyor to come. We were able to quickly touch on a drain, create a surface from the cab, done our grading based off what the GPS told us, and we was able to create a design that was ready to go, a finished product within a matter of minutes, where has taken even a couple of days. I don't see any negatives to this product to this point. If you play with it for a few minutes, you know, once you see it done, it's very, very simple. Best advice I could give somebody that's on the fence like I have been for 10 years, I wish I'd have done it on day one. There's no telling how much farther down the road I could be productivity-wise. The thing I love about the TX73 is the fact that it will go on basically any machine. You don't have to have the latest and the greatest. Some of my stuff is got some age on it, and we're able to fit it on most anything I've got here. This model is very affordable and has done a great job since I've installed it. If you're like I was and you're contemplating trying GPS, I would highly recommend for affordability, for productivity, tech support. I can't find anything to complain about, and I would highly recommend TX73 model. CHC Navigation, professional yet simple, your one-stop construction solution partner.